Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters. They grow your food without you having to be there. They grew over 300 tomatoes. And so, but that's only 5 planters. We have an additional 30 to pick from. I wanted to show you these because Torpedopot grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food. I want you to think about the tomatoes that you're eating or that you're growing. I want you to find out how many blemishes, how many bite marks, how many insect attacks, how many fungal problems you have with your tomatoes, and they don't grow right. Well, these Torpedopots, I don't water my plants. I don't do anything. All I do is supplement them once a week. And they grow perfect food almost all of the time. I have 300 tomatoes growing in 10 feet. Nobody in the world can do that. But Torpedopot can. It was designed to feed you and your family. Every year, a family of 4 spends about $24,000 a year on food. $24,000. Dude, that's the price of a house. On food. Are you kidding me? Get yourself a Torpedopot and learn to feed your family for a lifetime. Torpedopots, these growing systems that are behind me, they grow my food. This is the 2nd season. If you look at the videos, we have 15,000 pea pods on this table. This season, we've got 300 tomatoes, and we've only picked 5 planters behind me. We haven't done anything else. I can't wait to pick the rest of them. But the question is now, what am I going to do with all these tomatoes? Well, one thing that I know that I'm guaranteed is that I'm guaranteed healthy food. Food that generates, nutritious food that generates a great state of health. And that's what Torpedopot does. It generates nutritious food for you and your family. Now, I'm going to take these tomatoes, I can slice them up. And I can put them in bags and store them in my freezers. I can put them in canning jars and have them all canned. There are a number of things you can do with your Torpedopot. But with that being said, you know and you need to know that what you're doing right now, when you put your plants in the ground and they're dying, when you see the discoloration of the leaves and all that stuff, not because of the age, but because they're deficient, the soil's deficient. Understand, we don't have that problem at Torpedopot. We don't have a problem with food that's deficient and not growing correctly. The only problem we have now is how to store an awful lot of food, which you should have, and I want you to have. So get your Torpedopot, grow your food, get yourself established. This is just one out of the 5 planters out of the 33 that we got to pick from. And I'm just gonna let it get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then I'll take a video, and then we'll all take a look at it. And let's find out how we want to store these. So give me some ideas. How should I store these tomatoes? Some people said make a profit. I was going to put a sign on the table that says for sale. Torpedopot is for everyone. Food is for everyone. It was given to all of us. No one should control your food. You need to control your own food. Grow it in these Torpedopots and let your food maximize its growth. Let it develop to its full capacity. Get your food developing for its full life expectancy instead of it dying earlier on the vine because the conditions are not suitable to take care of it. Torpedopot are self-growing planters. You put your seeds in, you put your plants in, and you walk away for the rest of the year. And they grew this for me. Now, I didn't have to go buy this. This is coming out of my garden. You're looking at what a system can do. Look at all the other systems on the internet, all of them, and see if they provide any food like this, and you won't find one. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow nutritious food, and it's for everyone. I want it in every city, every government agency. I want them all over the place. We plan on revolutionizing the world by feeding the world. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. I love this job. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, guys. I wish I could eat it all right now, just get healthy and go to heaven. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.